Have you ever wondered what our planet was like when giants roamed the Earth? We're not just talking about dinosaurs, but a world teeming with colossal creatures, both on land and in the sea. This was a time when Earth's ecosystems were fundamentally different, yet incredibly vibrant and resilient. So, how exactly did our planet thrive during this age of giants? Let's take a journey back in time. Picture a world lush with towering ferns, strange conifers, and enormous flowering plants. This diverse and abundant flora was the allocanid buffet that fueled the age of giants. Herbivores like the long-necked sauropods, some weighing over 50 tons, had an endless supply of food. Their immense size was only possible because of the sheer quantity of plant life available. These gentle giants spent their days munching through forests, constantly shaping the landscape as they went. They were the planet's first and greatest gardeners. But where there are giant herbivores, there must be giant predators. To maintain ecological balance, fearsome carnivores evolved to hunt these massive plant eaters. Think of the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex or the aquatic Lambeosaurus. The ultimate sea predator ruled the ancient oceans. These apex predators were crucial for a healthy ecosystem. By preying on the old, weak, or sick, they ensured that herbivore populations stayed in check, preventing them from overgrazing and destroying the very forests they depended on. It was a brutal but necessary dance of life and death that kept the entire system in harmony. It wasn't just the vertebrates that were supersized. The air itself was different back then, with significantly higher oxygen levels than today. This oxygen-rich atmosphere allowed insects to grow to astonishing sizes. Imagine dragonflies with wingspans as wide as a modern eagle, or millipedes as long as a small car. These massive insects played their own vital roles, from pollinating giant flowers to decomposing organic matter. The air buzzed with life, adding another layer of complexity to these ancient worlds. The very ground beneath their feet was also in constant motion. The Earth's continents weren't where they are today. Geological changes and continental drift were powerful forces shaping life. As landmasses split apart and collided, they created isolated environments, like giant natural laboratories. This isolation allowed unique species to evolve, leading to incredible biodiversity. Think of the unique marsupials. In Australia, this process was happening on a global scale, creating a patchwork of distinct and fascinating ecosystems. Volcanic activity was another major player. While massive eruptions could cause short-term devastation, they also enriched the soil with vital nutrients over the long term. This volcanic ash would break down, creating incredibly fertile ground that supported explosive plant growth, which in turn fed the giant herb. It is a powerful reminder of how destruction and creation are often two sides of the same coin in nature's grand story. Finally, let's not forget the oceans. Sea levels rose and fell dramatically over millions of years, constantly redrawing the world's coastlines. These changes created vast shallow seas and submerged continental shelves, perfect habitats for marine life. From ammonites with intricate shells to colossal marine reptiles, the oceans were just as full of giants as the land. These dynamic coastal zones were hotspots of biodiversity, driving the evolution of countless species. From the superoxygenated air to the shifting continents, ancient Earth was a world of extremes. It was this unique combination of factors that allowed life to flourish on a scale we can barely imagine today. It shows us just how adaptable and resilient life can be. Thanks for joining me on this journey back in time. If you enjoyed this glimpse into our planet's epic past, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the world of science. See you next time.